This is the 3-day process of tearing my garden completely down so we can start from scratch in the spring with raised beds, landscape fabric. I'm so excited. Welcome to our bubble, everyone. If you're new here, my name is Katie, and I am really excited for the teardown of my garden this year. I don't plan on doing a whole lot of talking through this video, but I figure I should let you know what's going on. All of the fencing around the garden is going to be dug up. It is all buried 6 to 7 inches under the ground to prevent rabbits from getting in. Unfortunately, nothing's perfect, and after a couple of years, the rabbits find their way in, which is what I dealt with this year. Any leftover vegetables, mainly tomatoes, are going to be picked and taken in. We'll be dismantling a really old raised bed that just needs to go, along with everything else. So if you've made it this far in my video, welcome to day 3. Day 3 is actually a week from day 1, and the temperature has dropped by 20 degrees, and this was shot around 12:30 in the afternoon. So this day is beautiful to me. They can't all be sunny days. And I love cloudy days. But I am still working on all the fencing. But we get it finished up. We clean up a strawberry bed and get all of our tools and hoses put away for the season. It is a little sad to have to put away the garden, but there's always next year, and next year I plan on being a lot more fruitful and productive. So that's about it for our garden cleanup. The evenings are getting colder. We did have our first frost the other night. Though the leaves are falling, with all this cleanup this year, I can't wait to see what next spring brings us. The loofah gourds will hang there until they finish to dry, and then I will take all that down as well. Want to thank everybody for hanging out with me today and cleaning up the garden with me, and hope to see you on the next one. Bye.